Hello viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will discussing about the how to create. You can see the gift with real time. Create an GIF in real time, OpenCV and Python. Here you get this, see the simple report. Go to this command. After go to this command, go to the folder. After you go to the folder, you go to the upgrade your web requirement and name, file name. Okay, also go and download from here. uh, I will create open the my terminal, Mac terminal. So uh, you can see desktop directory. You can see two folders. Create gift. Okay, and I will run the my Python file. You can see the small name of the create.gft.py. So you can see the image. I am pressing the S button. He will continuously capture the image from the video. You put the real-time video also, so it's very simple. I will show you code, and first I'll create the gift file. So then we go to the our Python file. You can see the also file program will be closed. Okay, I am going to the folder. You can see the create the gift. It is very simple, and animation of the video in gift form. You can see all pictures will be compiled. So we are using this video. You can see the video file. Welcome to the Pyresearch channel, and here the link. So we are creating this video, creating the gift. So let me show you. Here the folder, here creating simple. I am open the Python file. Here you can see the import CV2 computer vision library. Here the image IO. Here the put you real time video means also camera 0 means webcam, 1 for 0 laptop camera, 1 for webcam. Images, assign the image, and blue you create the continuously this and continuously image IO input right. You can see the gift folder. Create the file of the underscore gift and will be gift. So you can see the logic of the Q means flows, S means continuously write all images in this folder. So I am opening the close this force. So I am opening the gift folder, gift file. So you can see that taking time. All files will be compiled to 44 images. Combine and gift, create the gift. So I think we will be wait for this image. So also I am putting two videos also for the image. Why is taking so time? It's not necessary to need to time. It's taking time. So you can see the it's taking time. It's creating my picture. Okay, I think wrong. You can see the number 12 files will be open. Here the one file, second, third, fourth is taking time. I do not know why it's taking time. So you can see the all files, all images will be compiled. So it cannot be shown. It's processing issue. No problem. You can see the state will be changed. I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates. It's very simple application. This code will be uploaded on my Git account you get from here. So I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates.